Hi, Curtis. How can I help you?
Hi, Eliza. I'm having trouble understanding how to add Stripe as a source and segment.
No worries, I can help with that. To get started, first click Add More under your segment overview.
Okay, did that.
Great. Now search Stripe in the search bar and it should appear on the screen.
Okay,
Now click Next at the bottom of the screen. From there, you should be able to add your credentials.
got it. Thanks.
Awesome. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach back out.
And so this was a demo of where we're going. It wasn't real time, but Eliza actually does have the baseline intelligence required for the demo. And so that's what Zaid's going to show you next.
Hey all, so I'm gonna go ahead and demo Eliza, technology that we have so far. So I already loaded in the model and we fed the model, the AI agent essentially, we fed it 5 videos of people using Segment, which is the platform that we're using here for this demo. And so based on these 5 videos, we wanna understand how well the AI agent really understands Segment. So we went ahead and came up with 2 questions beforehand. First question here is I'm using Segment and I need to add a new data source from Stripe. How can I do that? So let's ask this question to the AI agent, to the model itself, and see how well it really understands Segment and how well it can apply its learnings to help me with the question that I have here. Takes about 30 or so seconds for this to run because it needs to, one, the model needs to understand the question, query the video and get the answer and, formulate that response. So it takes a bit of time. There we go, just finished. So adding Stripe as a new data source to Segment involves a few steps. Here's a general guide on how to do this. Step 1, access your Segment workspace, yada, yada, yada. Step 2, click the Add More button at the top center of the screen. Step 3, on the next page in the search box, type in Stripe. This is a suggestion box and should begin to suggest options as soon as you start typing. Once the option for Stripe appears, select it and click Next. Da, 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 da. So step 4, on the next page, give your source a source name. Cool. Really understood the steps and really gave concrete solutions to this, and even knew that it's a suggestion box. It actually suggests options as soon as you start typing. All right. So question 2: after selecting a new data source, where is the next button located? So this question is aimed more at understanding. Okay, does the model really understand the visual components of the platform and where buttons are located relative to each other? Let's say I'm on a page and I'm using this platform and I don't know where a certain button is. Can this AI help me? Does it really understand the workflow? And there it is. Once you select a source for your data, you will need to click the next button, which is located on the bottom right of the screen. Exactly where it is. Cool. Thank you for listening.